besties, welcome back to another video. Guys, I've been postponing this video. Is it postponing? Whatever. I've been postponing this video for the longest time. I mean, like, and even right now, I don't know if you guys can hear any church around, but I hope you guys don't hear it. Anyways, I have my tablet here just in case. I just have a small video that I want to make, for preparation of ahead of next year. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about things you can do in 2024 to succeed. Okay, that's what I'm about. Like, I don't know, like right now I started thinking about my 2024, how it's going to be, how it's going to turn out, things I want to achieve. Okay, but in this video I'm going to be telling you some things that you can do so that you're. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be talking about, if you're the kind of person who have friends that you guys always talk about where to go turn it up, like everywhere there is music, just where to do things that doesn't even improve yourself. If you're that kind of person that have such friends, if you are someone who is reasonable, I'm sure by now you must have sit down one day and think about like, oh, this is my friends, they're not even impacting any positivity in my life or how to even succeed. If you're the kind of person that has such friends, drop them this year, because going into 2024 you have to get friends that talk about how to start up a business. Okay, if you have not watched the video that I made, how to start up a drop shipping business, this is for people that don't even have capital. Okay, so how much more when you have capital? You can go and watch that video because it's going to help you succeed. And also you need to have friends who talk about investment. I don't know where you're watching me from, but you can start even investing as little as, if you're in Nigeria, even the common internet that you use, MTN, you can buy their shares. Okay, you can buy your iPhone, all the products that you use so often. If you don't know which one that you want to buy, go and buy those shares. Okay, you have to have friends that talk about things, how to start a small business, how to start a big business. If you already have a business, how to improve your business. These are the things you should be talking about in 2024, and also how to even make money and anything in a higher currency. When I mean dollars, you understand? This is the kind of step you should surround yourself into. With time, you're going to start making money, learning all the skills. If you are in this year, your friends are not talking about self-development, how to develop themselves, how you should develop yourself. That thing that you're very passionate about, you have to go even further, developing yourself. If you don't have friends who are talking about how to improve themselves, how to be a better human being, you need to get out from that group and look for friends that does that. Okay, there are a lot of WhatsApp groups you can join and go to gym. Okay, take care of your diet and all of that. I don't want this video to be so long. So the next thing we're going to be doing in 2024 is, don't tell people more than they need to know. Say, shh, like, shush your mouth. Don't tell people what they don't need to know. Don't talk. Like, when you're doing all the talking, like, you talk a lot, you talk about things that you need to, you even say things you need to say and things you do not need to say. I want you to ask yourself a question. As you have finished telling this person this thing, what benefit is the person going to get out of it? What's the person's benefit? You just talk too much. Please stop talking too much. Okay, do not talk too much. Respect your privacy. Just keep everything for yourself. Okay, yeah. So another thing we're going to be doing in 2024 is to be uncomfortable for a few months and be comfortable for the rest of the years. If you're someone who is looking to get a skill, maybe you are someone who wants to get into tech, you have to start taking courses online. I mean, taking courses online can be very, very, it's like, it can be very, very tasking. It's time consuming, all of that. But let me tell you, when you start taking courses online and you're developing your brain, your skills and everything, let me tell you, when you're done getting that skills, it's going to pay off at the long run. Like, you will just sit in the comfort of your home and jobs will be finding you and you'll be making money out of it. So what I'm saying is that can make you uncomfortable for a few months, but it's going to make you comfortable for the rest of the years. Do you understand? So put that in your calendar. Okay, yeah. So guys, the next one we're going to be talking about is stop being shy. There are people who are so shy to the extent that they can't even create an opportunity for themselves, even when they can out there. Like, some people are so shy that even when they have their business, they can't even tell people about what they are doing. Let me tell you something now, nobody cares about you. Don't even try to be shy. Who is your shy going to help? When you know you have something in your head you want to achieve, just go for it. Just say your mind. I mean, everybody have something they are struggling with. You're not just the only person trying to do a business. Don't be shy, okay? Just speak your mind. That's fear of anxiety and all of that. Take it out, because those things are not going to pay your bills. Do you understand? So this 2024 or next year, we are not going to be shy. No shyness around anybody, because you're going to get that money. So guys, the next one I'm going to be talking about is don't run after money. What so many people does is that some people just sit down and be like, oh, I need money. Stop thinking of how much you need money. Start thinking of the ideas of how to create money, because money is just like the end product. When you impart value, money is like a reward. Okay, don't think about, oh, I need money. Think about, okay, what am I going to do? What value am I going to create to earn money? Do you understand? If it is, just think about maybe from your environment where you are, what you can actually do so that people can pay you for it. Just start thinking of business ideas, how to create more money. There are so many videos out there on how to make money online. If you want to learn some more about it, go to my YouTube channel. Just go to my channel. You will see a bunch. You see a lot of videos that I have already made for you to learn something. Okay, yeah. So guys, the next thing I'm going to be talking about right now is that you have to train yourself not to take anything at all personal. You don't have to expect anything from anyone, and you don't have to take anything personal, I tell you, because this thing is going to save you 99% of mental breakdown. It's going to save you 99% of mental problem. Don't take anything personal at all. Whatever goes, whatever happens, and you keep it moving. Okay, don't even let anybody weigh you down in whatever, or maybe someone's attitude trying to you overthink it. No, we're not doing that in 2024. Okay, whatever someone gives you, believe it and move on. Don't go and be giving yourself problem at all. Train yourself not to take anything personal, so that you can save yourself 99% of mental problem. Okay, don't take anything personal. Do not expect anything from anybody. Just live your life like you see it. Don't rely on anybody, because people are going to do you dirty. I'm telling you. So just don't take anything personal in 2024. If you're doing it in this 2023, make sure you're dropping it this year. Going into 2024, don't take anything personal, okay, to protect your mental health. The next one I'm going to be talking about is, I hope that you know that I hope you know that that's your 9 to 5. You see that your 9 to 5 you're doing is someone's passive income. I hope you know. So what I'm trying to say is that you have to find other ways to be earning passive income yourself. Okay, you don't have to just rely making money just through one source, because I mean, is it enough? It's not enough. So even if it's enough, you can still have money, because money is not enough. Let's tell ourselves the truth. So you have to find other ways that you can just double your hustle, make more money, so that you can live that 9 to 5 very quickly. So guys, the next one I'm going to be talking about is risk taking. You're going to be taking risk in 2024, especially if you're someone who is looking to start up a business, or whatever thing you want to start up, business, poultry farm, whatever. You have to take that risk. So because if you're not taking that risk, you're not going to change your life. Okay, it's better you take that risk and change your life. Business is not easy. Nothing is easy. Having money is not easy, so you have to choose your easy. Do you understand? Business is not easy. Starting a business is not easy. Starting a business is not easy. Starting anything new is not easy. Having no money is not easy. So you have to choose your easy. So if you have made this video to this level, you are 0.01% of people who's finished what they started. Okay, so before you go, I would like you to please subscribe, like this video, just give it a thumbs up, okay, and I will catch you guys in my next video.